Tamina and welcome to Thameena'S Kitchen. In this series I'm going to show you how to make a variety of popular Asian dishes. We all know what an onion looks like. Here's some that I prepared earlier. Onion chopping on an industrial scale. The whole point of using the chopped onions is to prepare a base for the curry. It is this combination of the fried chopped onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger and spices which create the complex flavours found in Asian cuisine. In Asian cookery, many hours are spent chopping onions. One of the major expenses are kitchen roll. I am now making some chicken masala. The onions are frying nicely in the pan. Time to add some ginger and garlic cubes. I am now adding the chopped tomatoes. Time to add the first of the spices. This is mixed basal. Time to add the main ingredient, the chicken. By adding the raw meat into the curry base, the flavour will permeate the meat thoroughly. Many people get it wrong by frying the meat first, which makes the meat rubbery and very chewy. One of the greatest features of Asian cuisine is the subtlety of the flavours. As the food is consumed, the texture and flavours change throughout the meal. After a further 10 minutes, one is going to add some coriander and green chilies. That's just about it for now. Hope you've enjoyed the programme. Thanks for watching. Bye!